Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to get replicate code for free. So here my referral link. So that's make sure that you will get the referral link from my description box or my comment section and copy the referral link and paste into your browser. Okay, when you paste into on your browser, it will land it on the page to create an account. So make sure that you can use your Gmail account. You don't need to be use your personal Gmail account. You can use any Gmail account, and make sure that don't use the temp mail, and maybe it will block your account. Okay, so after landing to your Gmail account, you will create sorry your applicator account is created, and after that you will land it on the page of payment section. Okay, and the payment section will see that is a no payment section. There is almost a zero balance dollar for subscription. So you can see there is a referral link. It will provide to you 1 month free trial of Replit Core. It will not directly give you the Replit 1 month free trial from your personal account or without my referral link. Okay, so make sure that you will log into my referral account, and I provide to you the description box as well. I also describe to you. Okay, so you will land it on this page and create your account just like I create my rough account, and after creating your account you will land on the payout section. Okay, you can see there is a $0 subscription plan for 1 month for Replit Core. So you just need to use this referral code and hit the $0 subscription. So you just also need to put your credit card information, everything, and no payment was deducted from your credit card. Okay, so this shorts will give you to the Replit Core for free. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.